So I'm doing a little demonstration on Hot Can, which is a self-heating canned beverage. They make coffee drinks, soups. This particular one is hot cocoa. And this can actually activates and heats the beverage up to piping hot. And I'll show you how it works. Okay, to activate it, you basically push the bottom in with both thumbs. And then that kicks off a chemical reaction in a special chamber at the bottom of the can. You shake it for about 30 seconds. And what that's doing is that's just basically mixing up the little catalyst that they have in there that heats up the can. And then you let it sit for 3 minutes. And it actually has a little green light that comes on when it's the right temperature to drink. And if for any reason it should get too hot, it's got a little red light that comes on. So we're going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. And then in a minute, I'll show you some nice hot cocoa. Alright, so the beverage is fully heated up now, and I'm going to pop the top on this boy and enjoy some nice steaming hot chocolate. It's a perfect thing when you're out, look at that baby steaming up, when you're out on a cold night fishing. That's good.